Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of Strat India. Today we will discuss about the India's quest for an unmanned armed underwater drones. The Ministry of Defence has given clearance to Defence Research and Developmental Organization to develop an armed autonomous underwater vehicle that can be used for surveillance and strike capabilities to be deployed in Indian Ocean and South China Sea to counter Chinese naval activities in the Indian Ocean region and Indian sphere of influence. Mazagaon Dock Limited has issued an expression of interest to different global firms for collaboration in design, development and construction of a 40-ton unmanned underwater vehicle that could be used for reconnaissance, mine countermeasures, anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, electronic warfare and strike missions. Larsen & Toubro has also signed a Memorandum of Understanding with New Space Research and Technologies at the Drone Mahotsav to develop submarine-launched underwater platforms under DRDO's Technology Development Fund initiative. Considering Chinese threat in the Indian Ocean region, India may go for foreign-developed underwater vehicles till the indigenous equipment ready for induction. Currently, US Navy is the only navy in the world which is in process of inducting these large size of unmanned underwater vehicles developed by Boeing. The US-made underwater vehicle is called AUKUS Voyager, which can be used for gathering intelligence, emplacing or clearing naval mines, attacking other ships or submarines, conducting standoff strikes, and more. The AUKUS will be modular in construction, with the core vehicle providing guidance and control, navigation, autonomy, situational awareness, core communications, power distribution, energy and power, propulsion and maneuvering, and mission sensors. The Echo Voyager has a maximum speed of around 9 miles per hour underwater and can dive to depths up to 11,000 feet deep. It has a range of more than 150 miles at a speed of around 3 miles per hour before it needs to surface itself to charge its batteries. Though there is not much information about the Indian Navy's underwater drone, it will be in the category of US Navy's AUKUS submarine drone, considering the length and envisaged weight of Indian naval underwater drone. Feel free to share your views on comments box. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more of these videos. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind, friends.